believe it or not, there is actual tint on this 964 and Bentley Flying Spur. If you're looking for the benefits of tint without the shade or want to keep the fishbowl look, our heat rejection solar films are great options. When comparing the two options side by side, it is almost impossible to tell the difference. NEX85 is a nano-ceramic graphene infused tint, which means NEX85 can disperse heat and reject infrared lights quicker and more efficiently. Action80 is a nano-carbon tint. This makes it great for front windshields, especially where tint laws are very strict. Additional benefits for these two options are going to be heat rejection and glare reduction. And yes, even though they're almost clear, they both provide high heat rejection and low glare reduction, making them great for sunny states like Arizona, both providing 99% UV rejection and being virtually clear with no colorations. Thank you to Metropolitan Detail for taking incredible care of both these cars. To learn more, check out our website or contact a local STEK installer on our locator.